What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and are interested in learning how to make money online, I share tons of different methods on a daily basis. So please consider subscribing to the channel and join the team. And I'll also highly appreciate if you could smash the like button on this video if you have gotten any value. In today's video, I'll be sharing a method in making up to $200 per sale. So without further ado, let's jump into my computer. Step 1, let's go over to semrush.com. It's all in one platform to do SEO, content marketing, competitor research, PPC, social media marketing. So let's actually look into this website a little more. So SEO, so grow organic traffic with complete and easy SEO tool. They also have got content marketing, like I said, create content that actually ranks, no expert knowledge required, market research, unveil competitors' marketing strategy and tactics, and then advertising, discover how to reach more prospects while spending less, and finally, social media. Build your most effective social media strategy. They currently have 6 million subscribers, 14 international awards, and 45% of Fortune 500 companies use SEMrush as their go-to marketing tool. And you can see they're pretty legit. So let's actually go to more tools here and click on affiliate program here. The SEMrush affiliate program, so promote international award winning tools with over 6 million users, right? It's easy to join and you can earn up to $200 for every SEMrush subscription sale and up to $10 for every new trial, guys. So you literally just can advertise this to business owners, and I'm actually going to show you what type of business require this type of services and how much they're willing to pay. How it works is you would join, so you just click on this button over here. So you just enter your username, password, country, and confirm your password, and then go to the next step and so on, right? It's pretty straightforward. It's not that hard to actually sign up, right? And now from there, once your account is up and running, you'll be able to get a link, your affiliate link, and then start advertising. So you promote with pre-designed promo materials, and you will start earning money once you actually get a sale through your link. So once you actually start promoting your link, you could be getting paid for every registration, trial, activation, and sale. So for the sale, you could be earning up to $200 per sale, guys. That's a serious amount of money, and you don't have to make tons of sales to make a decent amount per day. So you might be wondering what type of industries require this type of services. So first one being, of course, doctors and dentists, right? Lawyers and legal services, restaurants, plumbers, and mechanics, right? So these people have the money, and you literally just need to advertise this service, and for every trial at least you'll be getting $10, up to $10, and for every sign up you'll be getting $200, guys. And all these businesses require some sort of SEO or social media or social media marketing. We now know what SEMrush is and how much they pay per sale or per trial. So how can we actually advertise this tool to businesses that need them? My best recommendation is to provide value up front before you actually pitch them. So the best method is to siteimprove.com. This site actually allows you to scan 14 common SEO issues. You simply click and you will receive the result in audit less than 60 seconds, right? Enter their URL and then hit go, and you will actually receive a report and go over to the business and show them what's wrong with their website, bring in what SEMrush offers and how much they could be making from new clients that they could be getting, and basically benefits of what SEMrush does. And for a business like a dentist or lawyer to sign up for 200 subscription tool, it's not really much for them if they see the value. And you literally just have to put together a nice report from siteimprove.com and benefits of SEMrush and what they offer in depth, and what the potential growth could be down the line, and you literally can make the sale. And if not, then you can just sign them up for a trial, which is $10 for the trial for 7 days. And once they see the benefit in the trial, then you can actually sign them up for the subscription, which would pay you $200 per sale, guys. So let's say you make 3 sales per day, you sell 3 businesses per day, right? That's $600, right? So that's a full-time income. That's way more than full-time income, actually. So take action on this, apply these strategies. I'm gonna keep this video short, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, peace.